Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and uninstall a game in Epic Games? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and launch your Epic Games just like that. You can do it on the browser or on your PC. Click on the library, and whichever game is installed for you, all you need to do is just click on this three dot icon, and there's going to be a uninstall button right over here. Simply click on uninstall, click on OK, and it'll be uninstalled from your PC completely. So that is about it. You can also go ahead and clear cache if you want to. So simply go ahead and type run right over here, right? And then write exclamation temp exclamation, click on OK, and once you've done that, simply go ahead and search for Epic Games around here, or you could just delete all of it, to be honest. And once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and clear your PC and reinstall the game if you want, or just get other games. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.